no time. Right now on stage, UTO.
DJ, hey, come on, hey, let's get up, hey, hey, come on, look, come on, hey. Look, I've been jogging, running through these bitches like stalking, stalling, steady like a sniper with a target. Headshots only, but I body niggas often nauseous. Man, it's like a casket, I'm coughing. Sorry, I ain't really begging for your pardon. I'm steady smoking rapper like a party. Ash in the mouth, get the fucking dust off me. Bagging all these niggas, keep me moving like a trolley. Broadly, skin black coffee, milk's often. Writing up my number for a bad bitch, shorty. Never really answer, cause this rapping is my calling. Steady busy rapping at your talent, it's your heart. Fucking with a bitch, fucking with a hoe. It's all about dough, man, it's all about the dough. Got me fucking with a bitch, fucking with a hoe. It's all about dough, man, it's all about the dough. Got me fucking with a bitch, fucking with a hoe. It's all about the dough, man, it's all about the dough. Got me fucking with a bitch, fucking with a hoe. It's all about the dough, man, it's all about the dough. Man, fuck a bitch, your only thing is being fucking rich. You count me money hills, count me mountain on the fucking clear. And look, pussy a distraction, I know ignorance is bliss. She got the fattest ass, she got the softest lips. And look, pussy got a grip, but she ain't nothing but a bitch. Yo, what's the best when I go make? Keep my focus on the cake, mix the lyrics when I play. Got them buns on the tray, I ain't never sugarcoated, bitch, it is what it is. Like, what? When this kid coming, what no shit? Waiting for the widow, bitch. Look, I ain't fucking with no bitch. Look, I ain't fucking with no bitch. Come on, hey. Look, come on, listen. Hey, come on, hey. Hey, come on, cuz I can't fuck with a bitch, fuck with a hoe. It's all about the dough, man, it's all about the dough. Can't be fucking with a bitch, fuck with a hoe. It's all about the dough, man, it's all about the dough. Can't be fucking with a bitch, fuck with a hoe. It's all about the dough, man, it's all about the dough. Can't be fucking with a bitch, fuck with a hoe. It's all about the dough, man, it's all about the dough. That's what I'm about. My shit really hieroglyphic. When I spit, I paint the image, meaning that I draw attention. For my gallery of visions, like really I'm on a mission. Missionary position, fucking the opposition. I come on a competition, on the counter or the kitchen. The shit that I've been cooking, you need some oven mitts. Shit is hotter than wasabi, Hiroshima, Nagasaki. Chopper like karate, get them up and shit is sloppy. I ain't rapping, I'm sliding like a sailor, shit is slimy. Leave it. Try it, need a bitch, you got no mind. Poppin' pussy like a smiley, kill a pussy like I'm Bobby. It's murder, he be the hobby. Look, gotta keep a watch out for a bitch, we tryna cuff me up. If I take my clothes off when we fuck, you hella lucky, yeah. Kiss her on the lips, shit, that's why I'm coming up. Fuck her, then I send her home, hey, give her ass nothing up. Fuckin' with a bitch, fuckin' with a hoe. It's all about the dough, man, it's all about the dough. Can't be fuckin' with a bitch, fuckin' with a hoe. It's all about the dough, man, it's all about the dough. Can't be fucking with a bitch, fucking with a hoe. It's all about the dough, man, it's all about the dough. Can't be fucking with a bitch, fucking with a hoe. It's all about the dough, man, it's all about the dough. Hey, come on, hey, you feel that, you feel that, hey, you feel that, you feel that, hey, you feel that, you feel that. Hey, let's go. Mkhumbane, you alive? Hey, you guys alive? Except my face, so situate this more there. I want to talk to these people. Except my selector, let's drop it, my man. Mkhumbane, stand up. Come on, hey. Hey. Look, I'm touching soul when I speak. Every time I touch soul is when you under my feet.
I'm at a shock, dog.
You lose a hand if you reach. About to cut to the chase, niggas ain't matching my speed. And look, I'm passing your piece. You pass the blunt to your piece. You talking about how you dope? Man, that shit is just weed. Come out, just switching up the level on them. Hey, they got me pouring out a kettle on them. Hey, And look, I'm about to let the floorboard nigga on my shit high. Blood nigga burning every time when my shit drop. But through the seam of sleeping, matter of fact, it's in my flip flop. Time that I was time, nigga, something like a pissed out. Talking all the shit on Will Smith and on the Chris Rock. Smack him across the face, the punchline to keep a fist locked. Putting in the work and like a bitch, you got a thick plot. All about the dough, man, I can't wait until that shit drop. Time to play fucked up, time to show him tough love. Time to tell him what's what and goddamn who knew. UTO the rapper do it better than the who's who. Got a couple screw loose, nigga on my shit tight. All my raps are dope, nigga, listen and you get hot. I just silent hope for all the niggas trying to get by. Steady on the hustle, really trying to get mine. I send a prayer to the Lord, the Bible on my bedside. Double cross me, best believe I ain't no Jesus, nigga. Got a couple demons, I've been dealing with my ego. Might have wronged a couple people, might have burned a couple bridges. I ain't perfect, I know with the words, I'm just a poor, but picture me through the lens and see my focus. I got one eye open, the third eye scope, and the pyramid scheming. The same for the masses, only the chosen flow with your icy. The water is frozen. I'm keeping it solid, keeping it gold, ripping it apart, stitching the soul, and I cook with a pot. Feed them a portion, I'm picking it, pocket it, pale without no, mean with a bite. I'm slow with a poison, I book for the fight. I'm hulking, I'm hoping, I wrestle with thoughts. Mind controlling the confident vibes and the key to close. The heat for climbing, rain for the shoulder, cold for the shoulder, those for the storm. Hey. Come on. Hey, we are.
We go by the name of Caterpillar. Poison stripped, uspiye. But we back with the past like we back from the prison. The back in the kitchen. Move aside, clean up with cats in Vene. Azambe. Waza! Waza! It's kind of more about. What's? Yeah, we're back with the boss, like we're back from the piece in the back in the kitchen. Cause we're busy cooking the beastie, baba. Yeah, see now we're ready for war. If we ain't feed up, we give you more. We're back with the boss, like we're back from the piece in the back in the kitchen. Cause we're busy cooking the beastie, baba. Yeah, see now we're ready for war. If we ain't feed up, we give you more. Yeah, I'm back with the boss, like I'm back from the piece and I'm back in the mission. Move aside, the cleaner we can't sit valley. Ni ringen assassin, ni springen assassin. So we back with 3 words for y'all. God to hell, who wanna bet the caterpillar feel a slim tag. Sondele to the full and the devil to the sea swag. Figu koditi, so full like I'm shinkan. Fungu so busy with a catch and no best chit-chat. Mkhumbane around the jungle 6-pack, now we back. Pick it up or beat left the food tack. Vele batat and check a number for breed. Cause the digging up of giving fall of my friend and me. If I'm bad, I'm sorry. My bad is Darwin. Sight lamps a piece of pricing up my future, boy. My bad is Darwin. Always an option. Who's in the poison? Who's the Tony Spear, boy? Yeah, we're back with the boss like we're back from the priest in the back in the kitchen. Cause we're busy cooking the beastie, baba. Yeah, see now we're ready for war. If we ain't feel up, we give you more. We're back with the boss like we're back from the priest in the back in the kitchen. Cause we're busy cooking the beastie, baba. Yeah, see now we're ready for war.
Whoa,
if we ain't feel up, we give you more.
Hey, yo, you criticize. Yo, watch your size, nigga. I'm oversized. I cut them heavy bars. Let my lines so what do not we exercise? A good fight is a fist fight. You should left, you should right to check it cost. Cause man figure you got to pay the price. So Krimzeg and Tuana so feel my boga no man don't for the volume. Velubem bobam bobu, Pampela my bounce, and let's say fit on my boga. It's Palace Root Lesungazo, Chalangas Chogo, speak up Tapa. Mowi Vaga, Masaka, Qualu Jagas, Cover my water. Scala got 17 as fully sagas, Gita them tap. On my 4G Mashu, Julang a bus, skipping metric classes to excelling. No, me yipping trans, I'm sipping the cruise. I think and spit and speak about juice. My screws is gonna lose, but I believe in telling the truth. I'm sick of this gimmick lyrically to fit in the mission. Whichever go to your bag of Venobu chef the kitchen.
We're back with the boss like we're back from the beast in the back in the kitchen. Cause we're busy cooking the beastie, mama. Yeah, see that we're ready for war. If we ain't feel up, we give you more. We're back with the boss like we're back from the beast in the back in the kitchen. Cause we're busy cooking the beastie, mama. Yeah, see that we're ready for war. If we ain't feel up, we give you more. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Unalo seduze mfethu omthandayo. Isondeze eduze. Yeah? Ubuka abangicule. Let's go, man.
My baby. Mfunu lokutsheke nami la iseleni. Lento yokuthi uyuhamba isebeni. Mfunu ukukunikeza uthando kubena bezohamba. Tshela umkhwekazi my baby. Mfunu lokutsheke nami la iseleni. Lento yokuthi uyuhamba isebeni. Mfunu ukukunikeza uthando kubena bezohamba. Tshela umkhwekazi athambe my baby.
If we together, we live down in the court case. In the case, even the judge can give us a couple of years in advance, AB, cause I can see that giving the facts, you always my money in the night. All the night until we spend, I don't need any fight. Peace and quiet is what I need when the word at night. Bright which is what I see when you're holding me tight. I call you my DJ, make the house in my heart, you got the side. Angeli, yes indeed, you my angel. You tell me to a pastor, cause now I speak verses about you, it's about to everything that I do. But I admit, sometimes you're driving me crazy. I'm not perfect, in fact, it's what I reject. Cause in my sentence of life, mistakes always a coma. Oh my gosh, did I really wanna say that? Yes, cause I learned from them.
My baby, mfunu lokuhlele nami la iseleni. Lento yokuthi uyuhamba isebeni. Mfunu ukukunikeza uthando ngibe nawe kulolu hambo. Tshela umkhwekazi athambe my baby. Mfunu lokuhlele nami la iseleni. Lento yokuthi uyuhamba isebeni.
Lalela phela baby.
Uthando ngibe nawe kulolu hambo. Tshela umkhwekazi athambe my baby.
If love with you is a crime, then get me arrested. Give me no parole like this every life sentence. I never changed my mind, but my daughter's been rotated. The wounded part inside my heart, thank God it's renovated. Truth is to be spoken, rules are to be broken. You wanna know the truth about me? I'll give you my chance. For broken hearts, it's easy to forgive, but not to forget. No matter what, I'm willing to take the first. Yeah, day by day, baby, you swept my heart away. You held me close beside you and you helped me find my way. If this cost my life, then that's what I'm willing to pay. I am selling no food products, but it's your love, I'm okay. Let me distract you for a second. I know that you've been busy. I look at your face and my eyes are just fizzy. You spin my world around and my head is feeling dizzy. Slow it down on the caps, cause you drive me crazy, my baby. Mfunu lokuhlele nami la iseleni. Lento yokuthi uyuhamba isebeni. Mfunu ukukunikeza uthando ngibe nawe kulolu hambo. Tshela umkhwekazi athambe my baby. Mfunu lokuhlele nami la iseleni. Lento yokuthi uyuhamba isebeni. Mfunu ukukunikeza uthando ngibe nawe kulolu hambo. Tshela umkhwekazi athambe my baby. Siyabonga bafethu. Siyabonga bafethu.
Alright, bafethu. From the first round, kune-out esukile la esayidini lasemkhumbane yaya laphana kuthini yabo yathi guys, I'm not happy in terms of the score, so I want to know ama-criteria engijaja under wona. So I think I should let it clear now before we get done with our results. I think it's fair, ne? All right. We have ama-criteria ayi-3 esijaja under wona, right? Eyokuqala sijaja your raps, yabo. So mengikhuluma ukuthi sijaja according to your raps, lapho ngikhuluma ngama-lyrics akho, ngikhuluma ukuthi ingoma yakho ikhuluma ngani, ngiphinde ngikhulume nge-delivery. That's the first thing, right? Under raps. Secondly, sijaja under i-criteria ye-stage presence sakho. Mengikhuluma nge-stage presence, ngikhuluma ngokuyithemba mawule stage. Ngikhuluma ukuthi i-crowd reacta kanjani towards your performance, right? And also ngikhuluma ngendlela ye-projection no-projector ngayo, because sibe saba nenkinga abanye abafethu bayayivala i-mic awusamuzi uthothi seyibambe kanje. You understand? Awusamuzi kanti i-mic uyibamba kanje, yabo. So okwesithathu sijaja ingoma yakho ukuthi i-production yakhona imi kanjani, i-quality nokuthi leyo ngoma inayo i-potential to blow up, or inayo i-potential ukuthi idlale emsakazweni, or inayo i-potential ukuthi leyo ngoma idayiseke, right? Those are the 3 things esijaja under zona, guys. I think if you've been here Bad Center, you should know this lama rules lawo engikhuluma ngawo right now. But I'll pass the mic on to uNtusi naye or uPhu naye asho something before sinike score, guys. But hey, it was a beautiful game, I have to say. It was a beautiful game.
Hey bafethu, usukusho konke. Usekusho konke u-AD. Bafethu engikunotisile mina ukuthi sibe nenkinga ngendaba yokunizwa ukuthi nisini kumavesi. So mina ngikhuluma ngokujajwa kwami. I think ngingasho ngithi bekuyibhehle yama chorus kakhulu yama hook, yabo. sengisho cause bengizama ukulalela abanye imic ngize ngiye lapha ngithi mfethu awuzama ukuhlisela because ngifuna ukuzwa ama lyrics yabo because kufanele umuntu umjudge according to ama lyrics but ke ne sound ke nibonile kwenzekeni yabo but nje sengiyasho bafethu hey yona binzima yona le game kodwa ke kumele kube khona owinayo and I'm sure ama percentage mangathi unikhiphela ama percentage ningabona ukuthi cishe bese kodwa kube khona efanele awine yabo nanguke lo phethe abawinile
Away. 031 ain't nothing to fuck with. Okay, ngathi anizwa le. Ake ngithi KZN ain't nothing to fuck with. Yeah man, what's a game? Shout out to Hood versus Hood. Shout out to everyone who participated bafethu. It was a nice game indeed bafethu. Ngifuna ukuqamba manga. Ngaphandle ukuthi ngiwese isikhathi ngizoqala ku round 1. On our round 2. Ngizoqala ku round 1 on our round 2. Kuqale uPeg. Peg was the first one and uPeg uthole 53 points. And then kwaba uGoloko ku round 1 and then uGoloko got 72 points and Goloko took that one. Yeah. Kwalandela uKing Kaba. King Kaba ube no 67 points. 67 King Kaba from Mkhumbane. Uskindi from Mashu ube no 67 points kube tie. 67. Team Mkhumbane represent STK uthole 60 points. STK or 60% if I may put it like that. STK STK ubevesane no push. Push uthole 66%. Mashu took that with the push of 66%. And then kweza uteam Mkhumbane abegu the Leprechaun angazi noma ngibiza kahle ungiqolele mfethu the Leprechaun yes uthole u54 points for Mkhumbane and then uteam kwaMashu wa representwa uAeon othole u61 points. Aeon took that round. Last round, round number 5, it's Team Mkhumbane, obu representwa UTO. UTO, utole 45%. UTO from Mkhumbane, tole 45%. And then Team kwaMashu, which was the last round, bo representa KATTAPELA. Utole 64 points, which makes Team kwaMashu win 10-2. Ama draw out 2. Mashu win a ama round 10-2. Congratulations, Team kwaMashu!
Makeza ngobisi orapper ngesulu nesigisi khule ngidla makunya no cheese what I've been through twana ungafisi hey isathi shwi ngamba no fee selling work nothing for free yeah ngenza amasimba chips ngeke bangenze nix siphume tubane mpage sizi buzi mampage hey nangu umuntu esishwi. I'm probably keeping it real, that's why she following me. Wait, where's the cake? Push, won't take a break. Z at the cake, push at the Durban Lake. We just tryna bake, lazy niggas can't relate. If you don't push hard, you don't have a stake. Push.
Etubane they know what it is. Kabiyam disfinally dinero. Itakisa u analyze. Exceling the caputineo. Dingo singana mundi fero. Tutana numlungu otelo. Chunungambulu mteto. Smaga ngando nispelo. Outside post. Play kansakon. Yelenda isapo. Zako kosi dot. Nah, come to the street. Balega gotin. Nah, come to the street. Balega yo kabel team.
Bona petit street. Pity manjang seko free. Funny wing. Bona mamis kola wemali. Tatis kali saming shonen pinning hamba namaji. City street. Sasi in. Ngapa gate jali din. Ngama shoot.